What's up guys, iKing here, and today I'm gonna make this video because there is like news going around that the iPhone 7 and the 7 Plus making hissing noise. Now, hissing noise, I think it's fake. No, I'm not. I just said I think. Yeah, like don't get in wrong. I'm just saying like I contact Apple. I just text them and I don't have the message because when you say end chat, it ends chat. So the woman actually told me that there is problems like that on the iPhone, that like Apple has sold 1 trillion iPhones right now. Like I don't know, I'm just guessing, and just like few users having hissing noise. I think that's kind of normal because the manufacturers can make it wrong. So I have the iPhone 6 here. Let me just take out the case real quick. The regular iPhone 6 is from UK. What I'm trying to say is like the iPhone 7 is not a bad product, and why I don't believe that all of the iPhone 7s make hissing noise, because like it doesn't make sense. Why would a phone make a hissing noise? So apparently there is unbox therapy that's just test it out. My brother has the iPhone 7. I'm gonna do a review, and the hissing noise, I'm gonna be checking that out. He comes at about 2-3 weeks later. I'm just trying to say, don't just like, when I first saw it and said, what the fuck is hissing noise? Sorry my language, by the way. It's like, I just said like, it can't be like, now like there was, at iPhone 4 there was antenna gate, iPhone 5 paint tripping off gate, iPhone 6 Plus bend gate, and by the way my iPhone 6 is not bent. I don't know why did you guys just like say bend gate to that, but as you can see, my iPhone 6 is completely straight. Now, what I'm trying to say is, don't believe anything that you see or read on the internet, because there might be just like, Samsung lovers, just calm down. I'm just like trying to say, like, I don't know, look, Apple hates Samsung, Samsung hates Apple, yeah? Like, no, like, I'm not talking about I'm not talking about Tim Cook, I'm talking about us. I'm an Apple fan, my iPad and my computer is all MacBook. What I'm trying to say is that, we don't like Samsung, we like Apple. So like Note 7 recently had battery explosion things. That's bad, sorry about that. And what I'm trying to say is that the iPhone 7's hissing noise, I'm going to check that one. My brother soon comes, he's got an iPhone 7 gold color, 32 gig of course. I'm just going to test it out. I've got a really good microphone, but I didn't put it on right now. I bought it from, what did I buy it from? Amazon, I think, for about £32. But it's a really nice one. Like, you can trust me on this, like, for hissing noise, because I don't believe those type of shit on the internet. I kind of believed unbox therapy, because it was like actually testing it out. But if your phone even makes hissing sound, but it shouldn't be, so that's another subject. Like, if it even makes a hissing noise, it doesn't mean it's a bad phone. Like a phone making a hissing noise and you have to like recently put your ear to hear it. Like, why would you want to just like put your phone really close to your ear? Oh, for phone calls, yeah. But what did they say that is on underload? So a phone app will be quiet. But you shouldn't make that noise. I contact Apple. I just said like, I'm gonna buy an iPhone 7, but I want to know for sure that is the iPhone 7 makes hissing noise. I'm being hearing those from the internet, and Apple just said, I don't know, some woman, what was his name? I forgot her name. Sorry. She said that few of our products, yeah, was like, yeah, like had a problem like that, but just few of them. So like there ain't like, imagine you said sell 10 million iPhones, yeah, from Monday. Just few, like 3 or 2 users have been complaining about that. So it's just a little thingy. Like, I mean, Bendgate was anywhere. Like, any iPhone was bending. I mean, like, if I just get this iPhone and just like put my whole pressure on, I am a strong kid. I mean, if I just put my whole pressure on this is gonna snap. So, no, but actually, this is why did you guys put this as Bendgate? Because like this phone doesn't bend in normal usage. I think I've been using it about 2 years now. So, I mean, it's not bad. I like the iPhone 6. It doesn't make hissing noise that anyone's complaining about. I mean, anyway, like when you go to the App Store and it's making hissing noise, your phone, they'll replace it. But what's my problem is that I'm in a different country. So I live in Cyprus. I need to go to London, get the phone from London. Like if I come here and after like 4-6 months, I'm just saying, or weeks, after my phone, like after those days, it start makes hissing noise, I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? You know what I'm trying to say? So, I mean, sorry about my language, by the way, but literally buy the 7 because, I mean, it's a nice product. I mean, there ain't no different design in this. Just remove the antenna bands and just leave them from the top. I mean, it's a nice phone. Like, any phone's nice, yeah? There ain't no shit phone out these days. Like, I'm not saying Samsung's bad, Apple's really good. I'm just saying, like, they're both good, but, I mean, I like iOS. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, imagine this. Imagine Apple, imagine Samsung using iOS and Apple using Android. Like, which one would you go, iOS or Android? Of course iOS, innit? So, like, some people really likes iOS. I like how simple it is. I just like it. I mean, I had the Samsung phone. I had the S6 Edge Plus, and it burned in my pocket. It exploded. I had to go to the hospital. I got burnt all from here. I mean, seriously, it was a which color they call that? Blue. It's not black. I mean, dark blue. Yeah. I mean, it exploded badly. Like I could, like if you know how explode. Like how did it explode? It exploded that much worse. Yeah. Like the phone was like a little stick. Like you could even just grab it and break it. That's how it explodes. So yeah, I mean, I got my iPhone 6. I'm happy with it, but I'm gonna buy the 7 because this little guy, he's got the dual-core Apple A8 chip, apparently 25% faster than the iPhone 5s. When they said 25%, I was like, what? That can't be a lot. I mean, it's thin, it's lightweight, but I would like, I'm being like personal, yeah? I'm just saying like, if you would like make the phone a bit thicker, like the 6S and the 7, you could like fit a larger battery in there, couldn't you? So, I mean, spin isn't always key for phones. I mean, like, any manufacturer, like HTC, Samsung, can make really thin phones, but battery, camera. I mean, look, imagine Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, thin as an iPhone 6. So imagine how the camera's gonna be bulky, the battery was gonna like slim down. I mean, they were gonna kill it. But I like the battery life. It's pretty good. I'm at 16%. Oh, I mean that's not bad. I mean, it was like last night 12 o'clock. It was about 93%. I've been using it. I didn't sleep. I've been using it about good 13 hours, and I've been watching YouTube videos, you know, YouTube and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, of course. Like, you guys can complain, write comments below. I mean, like, don't take it really serious. Like, don't take iPhone 7 hissing noise really serious. But if you're gonna take it really serious, I mean, like, it's not like Bendgate, because, like, in Bendgate, what was the different thing that any iPhone was bending? Like, if you put high amounts of pressure on it. But on this, it's not any iPhone, it's just few iPhones like that. But look, imagine anyone buy these phones. 1 million persons buy this phone. I mean, people, yeah. imagine all of them gonna have a hissing sound. Wouldn't they like go and bring it and just like replace their device? Like anyone's not complaining. It's just like few little articles in Twitter. I don't know if you guys heard I have the hissing noise and crap. But seriously, like I wouldn't. If I would even have a hissing noise, and if it's not loud, like if I just place my phone and I can't hear it, and just have to like barely look into it like this, and just know there's a hissing sound, and I wouldn't literally mind. So okay guys, coming to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Write, comment below. Please leave a like. I mean, if you like if you don't like the video, you can just free to dislike it, because I just like tell you guys that don't take it too serious. You know what I'm trying to say? Because like the iPhone 7 is the one piece of good technology. Is the fastest phone out there. Like what I'm trying to say is like don't like when you read something and just like if you don't like measure it yourself, and if it doesn't happen to you, don't believe anything you read or see. Because like they said that the iPhone 6 bends like easy, and I've been using this phone and it's not bent yet, so realistic, innit? So thanks for watching the video. Leave a comment below. I hope you guys have a nice unboxing experience. And you guys write in the comment, how's the iPhone 7? Is it nice? Is it worth the upgrade from the iPhone 6? This is not 6S, by the way. It's 6, regular 6. As you can see, there ain't no S there. This is just regular 6. I got Apple's original leather case. Feel free to comment, and see you guys in the other video, and peace.